For this no-bake keto energy bite, you're just going to need 4 awesome ingredients: 100 grams of almond flour, 50 grams of walnuts, 100 grams of peanut butter, and 1 tablespoon of manuka honey. Pop everything into a blender and blend till it turns into dough. The richer the texture, the better it will turn out. If you're not happy with the texture after blending it once, make sure you blend it again till the dough becomes consistent, and if some of the dough sticks on the side of your blender, use a spatula to get the dough down so it blends well with the rest of the dough. If you have a high-powered blender, that's even better. Once you have your dough, pour it out into a container so you can measure the quantity of the dough. Once measured, you want to separate the dough into an amount that you will use for each energy bite so that you can get a consistent quantity throughout. I went for roughly 52 grams for each bite, and in the end, it amounted to 350 calories roughly in each bite. I used MyFitnessPal to get the exact nutritional breakdown of each bite. Once you've separated the dough, use your hands to roll the dough into a round shape to form your energy bite. Do this till there's no dough left and place each bite into a bowl. Once you're done, you can have one of your energy bites as a snack or 2 bites for lunch and enjoy it with milk. You can use plant milk or dairy milk, whichever one you choose. These keto energy bites might look small, but they are surprisingly filling and contain just 7 grams of carbohydrates each and a massive 15 grams of protein in each bite. If you don't feel like eating your bite right now, you can actually store them away. You can store them in an airtight container for up to 5 days. Do you like this tasty no-bake keto energy bites? Give it a try and let me know what you think. Thank you for watching.